Did you know one of the world's coolest thrill rides started as a concrete slide on a mountain? Let's rewind to the 1970s, deep in the Austrian and German Alps, where brave, or maybe just crazy, riders hopped on a little sleds and zoomed down alpine slides. No seatbelts, no harnesses, just gravity, a handbrake, and the hope you didn't fly off a corner. These early rides were wild, but let's be real, pretty dangerous. It was basically a bobsled track without the bobsled. Cool idea, rough execution. But then came the 1990s and everything changed. A German company called Wiegen Sports GmbH said, "What if we took this adrenaline rush and made it safe, smooth, and even faster?" Boom! The mountain coaster was born. Now we're talking. Steel rails instead of open troughs. Two-person sleds with seat belts. Hand-control brakes so you decide the speed. Real engineering. Real thrill. Real safety. Suddenly, coasting down a mountain wasn't a sketchy dare. It was a bucket list experience. By the early 2000s, mountain coasters were showing up everywhere. Ski resorts wanted year-round action, and these rides delivered. No snow, no problem. You could ride in summer, fall, spring, even through snow-covered trees in winter. From Park City, Utah, to Gatlinburg, Tennessee, to the Swiss Alps, these coasters became the ultimate mountainside adventure. And they just kept getting better. Tracks over a mile long. Speeds hitting 30 miles per hour. Zigzagging through forests. Featuring corkscrews, sharp turns, tunnels, and big drops. Some even run at night with full LED lighting. And yeah, there are even VR versions now. Strap in and fly through digital worlds while racing down a mountain. And here's the kicker. The whole ride? It's powered mostly by gravity. That's right. No massive engines. No fuel. Just smart design and the natural slope of the earth. Talk about an eco-friendly thrill. And the best part? You control it. Want to take in the views and cruise? Pull the brakes. Feeling brave? Let go. And let gravity take over. All weather, all season. Low environmental impact. Maximum fun. From sketchy slides with zero safety to one of the most unique, scenic, and adrenaline-pumping rides on the planet. Mountain coasters have come a long way. So next time you're near a mountain town, do yourself a favor. Hop in, buckle up, and ride the mountain like never before. Smash that like button, tag your adventure crew, and hit follow for more epic ride history and wild facts. Let's GLO!